guys, good afternoon to everyone. Now I'm going to vlog about my food. Ayan guys, inununan. Unsa ba in English aning inununan? Kanang isda with vinegar, with spices, ginger, red pepper. Oh, ito sari ha. Beef yan. Oh, ito sisig marino. Pansit kay John, tag 30 lang. Ito lumpiang Shanghai. gulay na munggo. At ang aming bida is RM Paris. Ang aming chief cook, guys. Guwapa kay guys. Tuwara ako, nag-iisip.
Hello guys! Hello! Nag-iisip ako kung paano ma-recover.
Ayan guys, please. Punta na kayo dito. May libre kaming sabaw ng RM. Ayun, sa labas.